Imagine yourself talking to someone and they back away from you. This is a telltale sign of bad breath. MJ Wolf here, and I'm sharing my go-to solution, medical grade stainless steel tongue scraper by Mestermedi. With an anti-gagging, flexible, and ergonomic design developed by dentists, it helps with fresher breath, a better sense of taste, and oral health. This set is comprised of 2 rust-proof and durable scrapers, each with their own separate travel case. Way better than plastic or low-grade steel ones. To use it, place it at the back of your tongue and gently pull it forward. Remove the residue with water, repeat this 4 to 5 times, and rest assured, this tongue cleaner is going to be a must-have for your daily dental care routine.
Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a tongue scraper. It looks like this. It comes with a set of 2 and it's very well made. It's made out of medical grade stainless steel. It's BPA free and non-toxic, and it's also suitable for kids and adults. It's very simple to use. You just scrape your tongue twice a day and it's easily to store. You can put it in a cup or hang it thanks to the pre-cut hole on the tongue scraper, or you can simply place it in a drawer. This tongue scraper will help you to eliminate bad bacteria which cause bad breath, and also will help you to maintain healthy oral hygiene. I love this product. It's very efficient. It's must-have product. I love it and I would highly recommend it to you.
Lousy breath is a major turnoff, and it promotes damaging self-consciousness. While brushing your teeth and flossing might help, that's only part of the solution. What you need is a Basic Concepts tongue scraper. It's the ultimate cure to chronic bad breath. Our innovative tongue scraper eliminates harmful bacteria, germs, and food residue. You can have the confidence to be your best without smelly breath. The scraper has a wider design than others to make sure it reaches all parts of your tongue. Plus, it's 100% sleek stainless steel, which means no rust. It's also super easy to clean. Just wash with soap and water after each scrape. You can also take your tongue scraper anywhere. The lightweight, compact design is practically made for it. So, if you're looking to step up your hygiene and add a boost of self-esteem to your social life, try the Basic Concepts tongue scraper today.
Did you know our mouths contain millions of bacteria? The bacteria builds up on the tongue and can cause bad breath if it's not removed. Tongue cleaning is often overlooked in our cleaning regime, but it's really important to treat and prevent bad breath. Dental professionals like myself recommend that it should be part of your daily cleaning routine, along with brushing your teeth and cleaning in between with floss or interdental brushes. Tongue cleaning with a tongue scraper once a day removes the coating of bad bacteria and can even help to improve your sense of taste. Our tongue scraper has been designed to be effective, long-lasting and kind to the environment, as it's plastic-free.
Did you know that 90% of bad breath comes from the tongue? What you smell is sulfur gas given off by bacteria, hiding in those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies on the rough surface of your tongue, not from your gut or teeth. That's why brushing your teeth is not the answer to bad breath. The problem is this: the tongue is like this piece of sandpaper. The rough surface provides plenty of hiding places for bacteria. These bacteria live in colonies and are covered by a sticky plaque and are 1,500 times more resistant to antibacterial agents. That's why antibacterial mouthwash isn't all that effective. What's the solution? Dental research says you have to mechanically remove the material. This is why we created the original tongue brush and gel. Dentist designed, we believe it's the most effective tongue cleaner on the market. Before tongue, your options were a toothbrush or tongue scraper. Let's look at your toothbrush. Not the best tool for the job. Here's why. To begin with, its narrow, high profile triggers the gag reflex immediately. But more importantly, the soft bristles overflex and are grossly ineffective at scrubbing away this sticky tongue gunk. What about the tongue scraper? These have been around for a long time. The straight, rigid edge of a scraper simply skims over the tongue's rough surface. It does not get into the crevices where the bacteria are located. If you've never used one, it can be an unpleasant experience. And be careful, as it can also damage your tongue if you're not careful. The tongue brush has short, firm bristles designed to penetrate those nooks and crannies and dislodge odor-causing bacteria. Its ergonomically designed handle, wide head, along with its low profile combined, greatly minimize the gag reflex, thus making it super comfortable and easy to use. It's the most comfortable tongue cleaner on the market today. The original tongue gel was designed to aid in the loosening of this nasty material during the cleaning process and leave your mouth feeling totally fresh. Tongue gel contains zinc, which naturally eliminates bad breath by neutralizing sulfur gases given off by bacteria. Never use toothpaste on the brush, as it gunks up and turns into a haven for bacteria to thrive. Instead, the light, highly water-soluble tongue gel formula is designed to rinse clean from the brush. Finally, the great minty taste is addictive and amazingly refreshing. It leaves your mouth feeling fresher than simply brushing your teeth. So take the tongue challenge. Commit to using the original tongue brush and gel every day for 1 week. It only takes 10 seconds. Look at your tongue before you brush, watch what you spit out, and look at it when you're done. You won't believe the difference.